Hi. I thought it might be fun to see what's in this box. I've forgotten, kind of. You know, sometimes you just order things. Alright. It's definitely art supplies. And cat toys. And the goblin has run away with that strip. Okay. These edges are perforated. Oh, yeah. We got some Core High Chroma watercolors. I've never tried Core before, but I think it was Ashley Popplewell who was using some, and I like the colors. But I was looking at them, and you're not supposed to mix them with regular watercolors. You can use them like over them or beside them, but you're not supposed to mix them together. So we'll see how these go. But I wanted to open this because the colors in this set are kind of crazy. This is pretty cool. They have a tent. Look at that teal. It doesn't look teal at all in this. It just looks like blue. But it's actually teal. It's kind of a green gold. That's cool. I'm kind of excited to try these out. Quinacridone Gold. That's a crazy name. What is this one? Dioxazine Purple. Quinacridone Magenta. And Transparent Pyrrole Orange. I thought it might be cool to get, well, I wanted the teal, but orange is actually, a good orange is kind of difficult to find. I'm excited to try these out. I really, really am. What is this? Oh, it's a map of all the different colors you can get. So that's cool. What the hell is this? Oh, I know what this is. This is a bunch of liquid watercolor. Because if you are paying attention to my don't steal that, Poe. If you're paying attention to the videos that I posted on Wednesday, I was inking that last painting with watercolor, but this is untenable. All right, both cats. Hi, cats. Get back. So I have a yellow ochre that I thought I might try. As some background stuff. Poe, don't eat that. blue for all the blue. And magenta. Poe! Because I thought, you know, why not? And then we have some trial sizes of the Mimic Squirrel. I actually bought 2 sets of this. Now, get out of those brushes. Yeah, that's right. These are like, the Try Me set is like $2. And Moo, what are you doing? This is the brush I've been using. The Creative Mark Mimic 8 round, and it's got little squirrels on it because it mimics squirrel hair brush. So we're gonna try these guys out. This is apparently I bought 2 packages of the trial size set. So it comes with a rigger and what is this? A 2. This is a 1 round rigger or liner, and then these are 2 rounds. I guess sometimes you add stuff to your cart and then you forget it exists, and then you go back later and it's still in your cart and you didn't know it. This Try Me brush set is like $15. And I don't just go around buying the cheapest brushes I can find. I actually, the first time I ordered from these guys, I bought some, looks like I got another rigger and another 2. Yay me. So I got a 6 round now, a 10 round, and a 1/2 inch flat. That 10 round looks like it's gonna be fun. This is my 8 round. And I bought this one individually. This one was about $12. So this set for $15 is actually a super good deal, and why I don't feel at all bad about doubling up on a billion friggin' brushes. But yeah, I'm excited to try these guys out because, you know, good cheap brushes. Actually, you know what? Any brush, any good brush, whether it's cheap or not, is amazing. I have several Sable brushes that I bought at the same time. I tested all of them at the same time, and this Squirrel Mimic is like hands down my favorite brush that I think I've used in like forever. I had another favorite brush, but it died a horrible death and just wore down to nothing, and they don't make it anymore and it's discontinued. So when you find a brush you like, buy a lot of it. But anyway, I hope that was kind of fun for everybody, and that's it today, because you know, maybe I'll do another live thingy when I try some of these out. But yeah, I'm super excited to try this. Especially that teal. It looks amazing. But yeah, I'm worried because you can't mix them with watercolors. But we'll see what happens. Okay, thank you guys. That was supposed to be fun. Have a good day. Bye. How do I get out of here? I forgot. I found it. Okay, bye.